Garbage man dey on him truck, you know. Man dey on him work. Mean brother. Yeah man, I'm comfortable. Comfortable. Yeah, the man comfortable. In the office. How you feel brother me?
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right now, we're there in a Spanish town. Yeah, we just crawl out of the town, people. You understand? And we have a quick little errand for run. You see me? At the afternoon, you know, it catch to around about 3 p.m. there about, say, you know, rush hour. You know, traffic kind of take it time and build up. You understand? So yeah, we are run go in a Kingston side, and then you know run come back across. Yeah, well I drive stay, but you know a Jamaican term already. Me want to deal with it quick. You get me? Yeah, my people. So about to go over this old bridge. You know this bridge over there in a Spanish town as you come out of the town or when you enter into the town. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, I think this is LiQWYD River too, by the way. They run underneath the bridge. Yeah, people, I think this is Bergs Road over there, Panto. Alright? So, yeah. Want to make a quick little chat, people. Go program something. So, what's up with everyone? How's everyone doing? Shout out to the new subscriber, them over here. Yo, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Yo, I'm grateful for you, know, honestly. I'm grateful for you. I'm not telling no lie. Yeah. I like how you just do the right thing and click on the subscribe button, you know? Yeah, man, I'm going to give thanks for the ones that will comment as well. Yeah, man. You know, I'm showing appreciation for the, you know, the video them and thing. And I tell me say you want to like it and thing. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yo, big up the people over there at Jamaica, right? That's what me there too. We watch the video them. You get me? Yeah, big up for yourself. You understand? Because enough of you there watch the video them. Holy, but me check my analytics. Yeah. One the second on the chart. I swear. So big up on yourself, Jamaican people that we are watching. Yeah man, second on the on the chart. Most of the video them, you know rank second. I tell you now, you see me? Yeah. Yeah man, so big up on yourself, me hard people them man. Appreciate the love you show me to. You see me? Yeah, cause I'm always a big up the foreigner them, you know. You see me? Yeah, I don't want nobody call me out panic. So big up the yard people them, enough of you, enough. Me not tell a lie, enough. Yeah man, enough man. So bless up on yourself, you get me? Yeah man, and the people them, as me say, the people them we always a comment. Yo. You know say the comment section we have our conversations, right? Yeah man, so bless up for yourself, you understand? Yeah man, bless up for yourself. You get me? Yeah, as you can see on that side of the traffic I build up people because I say rush hour, you know? Yeah, so the traffic pile up heading into the town of Spanish Town people. You see me? Yeah man, I saw it set up. Yeah my people. My laptop slide off my seat and drop. So pull over and fix it. Take it up. Fix it properly. I might just make it safe on all the ground too, because I'm going down one plaza there. Near half a tree side, and I never want to up on the seat like that because I know them boys they stay there. Yeah, thief in boy they ever walk and looking at people carry things and them something there, so nah rub no butter or puss mouth, you know? And people are gonna say, hey, you make you never hide it off or put it in your trunk or whatever, even though you should not fear, you know? And your thing, you lock up your thing, nobody should not break in your vehicle, but you know you just have to be smart still, you get me? Yeah. Just have to be smart, people. And when them boys thief your things, you know, them sell it for little and nothing, you know. Yeah. But them people, we're about to go up on what do you call this? Mandela, yeah, Mandela Highway, I believe. Yeah man. You know out there so you have RGD, the bird paper place. On my left hand, you know you have the tax officer thing too. Yeah. Registrar department. I think the tax office out there too. And over here say you have National Housing Trust there out there so too. Only a little place in a Spain town here, you know? Yeah. Them people, some of us want to pick up something real quick, you know? Real quick dread. Big truck, I don't know where to carry. We back them on the truck and dance, people. Yeah, I want to back them and dance, you know. Hurry up and pass that truck because I just saw the back them and dance a while ago. Yeah man, I'm from my left right so carry go up to Chinatown. So far as height. Them place there, yeah. You hear about them place there? Yeah. I think the correct name for this is Windsor Heights though. So far as heights, yeah, I think Windsor Heights are the correct name. If you want to go Ochi, you gotta go left. Carry up on the highway for take it to the north Coast and them places, you see me? Yeah. And look a small yellow bus I run from Spanish Town to Portmore. And look a small bus there. Yeah. Call them 6 bus. Call them have the number 6 on them. Right now we are going straight out on the boulevard. We are going on Constant Spring Road, people. Yeah. Just them call it ferry. Yeah. I don't know if nobody have the history on why them call it ferry. Just update it. Educate in the comment section. Cool? Yeah, educate it. People them real old school people them know say Pony Park used to out here so. Yeah. And over here so we have the ferry police station. Yeah, Pony Park used to out here but them now have school there out here, so you have Heidel group of schools. So you have the high school, prep school, and I think, what else? The one before that. Like basic school, like, yeah. See, two I new garbage truck them away government give it. Man, they on him chuck, you know. Man, they on him work. Mean, brother. Yeah, man, I'm comfortable. Comfortable. Yeah, the man comfortable. In the office. How you feel, brother, me? Where are you? That's that, boy. So we are approaching 6 miles area, you see me? So we are going to go straight. If we did go right, that would have carried down on Spanish Town Road. Yeah. But we are going to go straight. We are going to kind of slow down a little bit because them boy feeding ground them parts a more while, you know? So take a little time. Got them now out here today still. intersection that we just pass people at Duane Park. Yeah, the stoplight they have Duane Park side on the left and Corfield on the right, you know. Alright, I'm just look for the traffic here to come back. Because this is not even an itch thing, people. It's a really quick. Me I go pick up something and then just head back across. But you know the video coming back, you know, say that's a different video, right? Yeah. In the vicinity of Patrick City right now, people. Yeah. Yeah, man, Patrick City. That side you know Pembroke Hall side. So yeah, you go left I think it take you to Pembroke Hall. This section you know we have Mar Valley on the left, Jewsland on the right. And as you know this is Washington Boulevard, people, yeah. So yeah, Mar Valley on the left, Jewsland on the right. So in case you never know which part of Mar Valley they are, Jewsland where you hear about, yeah. Yeah man. And people normally reference like Jewsland with Waterhouse, you know. But I think Waterhouse they behind it. Yeah. Push up, make squaddy pass. You know how much money for not letting cross an emergency vehicle? Yeah man, new traffic hacking the people. You know, let cross emergency vehicle. Only for money them say. Taxi man there, bob and a wheel through traffic. Watch it. People they say my drive. And look, you saw the car load, that mean it loaded with people in it, you know. People, so we are about to turn on Kingston Spring Road down there, so yeah, I make the right turn and go down. I know if we didn't make the left, that would have carried directly up to Kingston Spring. And Cape Monday. Peanut cake and salted nuts and anything there, no? Yeah. I saw it go in the streets of Jamaica, people. Man, I find a little thing for hustle, you know? Make two ends meet. left as left them for go, you know. Left lane for go left, but you know them unruly people here already. Come up in the lane, you know, because them bus here go. Stop at bus stop, you know. Yeah. Because I know me about to make a turn stills. That's you know. Them people, I go over the little plaza here, right just up on my left hand side. Alright people, so basically this is how the video is going to come to a close, you know. Yeah. And as usual, I give thanks. I'm grateful for you all being on this journey here with me. You know you think go already, you see me? Yeah man. I'm going to lock off right there so I run go upstairs there. You don't know the thing about my people. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, alright? You know the thing go. 876 by birth as usual, my people. And I'm out, alright? Yeah.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.